A good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you are watching us. Welcome again to this new and exciting tutorial where we are going to be learning how to connect Canva website to your existing domain. Now you'll simply go to canva.com and that link is available in the description of this video. And then down here, you notice we have for you docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, and websites. So I'll quickly design a quick website, but in this YouTube channel, we have other videos that basically go into details on how to design a website using Canva. So you click on website and then you notice here, we have templates for different websites. So you'll choose just one that you feel is okay, but you can also start from blank. Let me just choose one, a simple one, like this one. So let's say that's the website that we want to just edit here, and we want to call it 3D rigs. And then you can give all these other details here. You can edit details here. You can change all this. And as I have said, there is a different tutorial to show you how this is done. So if we go into details, we will create now our full website here, add pages here, and all that. Now, for you now to connect your Canva website, assuming this is the website we have and we are satisfied with how it looks like, you will simply come to the top right corner here and you notice we have publish website. So you'll click on that so that you can be able to publish your website. And remember, when your website is being published, it is locked. You cannot design it while it's being published. But there's no problem. If you realize there's anything that you need to change, you will simply click back on edit design. Now, on the right hand side, upper right hand side here, where we have the part for publishing your website, you notice you can resize on mobile or you can uncheck that. Now, if you uncheck that, it means that on mobile devices, your website may not be resized to fit for the aspect ratio of the screen for mobile. So it's advisable you leave this checked that way. Then without navigation here, you can choose with navigation. And then there are three ways you can publish your Canva website. So we are going to look at the three and then focus on the third one. The first one is where you can publish to Canva domain. So if you click on that and then click down here on continue, you notice you have to enter your subdomain here, and you can edit your subdomain later in your domain settings. So you notice here it's dash.mycanva.site. So if I click on continue, it tells me what I missed here. I didn't type what I need my website to be called. I want it to be called 3D rigs. That way, then you give it time to see if that is available. You can click on continue. You notice now that is available. 3D rigs.mycanva, 3D rigs.my.canva.site. And then you notice how it will look like down here. And then you can add a website description where you describe your website in less than 60 or 160 characters. You can also enable permission for password protection, and you can also hide your website from search engines. But then that is what you can do here. So if you are not satisfied, you will click on publish and your website will be published. So you notice now your website is now live, called 3drigs.my.canva.site. And you notice here, you see how it will appear on a mobile device and how it will also appear on a PC. So that is one way of publishing your website. So we can click back on publish website so that we can go to the second way. So down here, we can click on unpublish the website. Then we click again on publish the website so that now we can select the second way, which is to purchase a new domain. So you can click on purchase a new domain, where you buy a new domain through Canva. If you click on that, click down here on continue also. And then you notice here you can search for available domains. So I want to call my website 3D rigs so that I can see the available domains with that word 3D rigs. So notice I can have 3drigs.net at $21.9 per year. I can have 3drigs.org. I can have 3drigs.info.club. I can have all this. You notice we have different ones and the prices are different. For instance, you notice if I have 3dcoach-gs.com, it goes for $18 per year. So you notice all these changes, you notice all these charges are different. So you can claim by clicking on claim your domain. If you want it to be that, you click on claim your domain and then you pay that amount and then your website will be published on that domain. Now, if you have your own domain, we go to the last option. So you click on use my existing domain. So you click on that. One thing I need to notify you is that this one, you'll need to be on the paid plan for Canva. So click on continue. And so you notice here, if you have bought a domain from another company, you can connect it to your Canva website here. So how do you do that? You notice here, you have to upgrade to Canva Pro to connect a domain that you have bought from another company. So no problem with that. So you just need to have a Canva Pro, and the process of connecting that is similar to what I've shown you. If I click on try Canva Pro, this may require me to pay. So you can click on start my free trial. If by the time you're watching this, there'll still be a free trial, and not worry about that. You can pay per year or per month. So for instance, if I click on monthly down here where I can just be paying $6, then you click on next. And then here you now fill in the payment method. So whether it's debit card or PayPal down here. So you choose one and then you click on get your free trial and then you feed in the details here for your payment method. It now redirects you to PayPal. You can now put your email address here. You can put now your email address here for your PayPal and then you'll click on next and then you'll put your password here. But remember, if you're on the paid version already, it will automatically take you to the store. So basically you complete the payment method and then it will be processed. So you basically complete the payment method here, whichever one you have selected as I've shown you. And then by that, your link or your domain will be connected to the Canva website. Adding your website to the existing domain, you will simply come up here and click on publish your website after completing the stages I've shown you here. And with that, your website will go live on your existing domain that you have just connected. I hope this has been helpful to you. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.